excited. Just
Gonna be biting leaves.
gonna be biting. Come, follow mommy. Finally, dumating na kami sa park after mga 30 minutes drive. Excited, super excited si Matli. Hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. First time niya dito, so hindi niya familiar yung lugar, so masyadong ano sa kanya, nakaka-overwhelmed. But this park is so big and it's nice. It's nice. It's nice here, Matli. Come, drink your water. That right here, right here. He doesn't want to drink water. Matli, come, drink your water. Akala ko na uhaw siya. But anyway, it's so nice doon. May tubig. Matli is over there with daddy. Yeah, you're so thirsty. Look, you're so thirsty. Ayaw niya uminom. It's nice out here. You can do biking. A little mountain climbing over there. A lot of airplanes. Look at that, so nice. Are we close to the airport?
That way.
Oh, okay. So are we close? We are close to the airport. So many airplanes. Oh, actually may nag-fishing. Look, may bata nag-fishing doon. So nice. And this park has a lot of places, parking spots. Na pwedeng kapag-park ka ng car, obviously. There's plenty of spots. Hi! A lot of people ask me, curious sila kung anong breed si Matli. Sabi ko, Maltipo. Sabi nila, yo, I wanna get a Maltipo. Nakyutan sila kay Matli. Where's the water? Another airplane na naman, guys. Oh, look at the birds. Wow, ang ganda ng tubig dito. Ayan. Oh, Matli wants to come here too. Oh, okay, you cannot come here. Oh, no. Yay. No. Yeah. Oh, it's mommy. It's hot? I think it's hot, honey.
Some water.
Okay, come. Mommy has water. Come. Oh, Matli, drink water. Yay. Good boy. Look at him. Hiding in my shade. It's nice out here, man. It's just hot because...
Let's go over there in the shade.
No? Wow, it's nice over here, guys. Ganda. Ang ganda, parang buhangin, parang may buhangin ng dagat. Nandoon ang aking mga mahal sa buhay. Ayan. Daddy and Matli. And mommy is over here. Sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Another airplane. Yummy. Okay.
Let's keep going.
Keep going.
Molly, here. Come on, go potty. Molly, go potty.
Wanna go party?
Molly, come
Matli?
here. Come here.
Go
Go
party?
potty. Go potty, Molly. Molly, go potty. Molly, come here. He has something on his chin. Get it out. Get it off.
What is it? Let me see. Oh, it's a dirt. Yeah, it's just a grass, dead grass.
Molly, go potty. Go potty.
You wanna go potty? No? No? Here, here's your food. Good boy. Didn't we never come here before?
It's a big hill.
Yeah. So many kids over there. This hill's so big. Wow. It's fun. He got so tired. Motley is tired from the running and jumping and walking and the heat. Daddy is driving.
Nowhere.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's why I Googled it. Places that are pet